piece is ready for installation. You can see that there's the metal hose, the actual shower head itself, the hand shower, which is not metal but a durable plastic. You also have the plastic holder here with the rubber insert. This is the extension arm that's going to connect to the diverter, and plumber's tape and several gaskets that are going to be used. So the shower head, diverter, extension arm, handle, and hose has all been installed. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. This is shower mode only. I can move the diverter to the middle, and you can see that it does the spray handle and the shower head. If I take the diverter and go all the way to the top, it's just the shower handle. Shower handle mount is adjustable. It can go up and down. I can take it off its mount and go through the different spray heads. 9 different spray heads in a mist.